Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on controlling your LG TV with your Android device. First of all, open up the Google Play Store and download the app LG TV Plus. Before you launch the LG app, make sure that both your TV and iPhone are connected to the same network, because it won't work if not. When you first open the app, you will need to sync your TV. Select your TV from the list. You will now need to enter the security code that has appeared on your TV. Once you've entered the code, your TV will now be synced to your phone, and you can control the TV here using different interfaces and shortcuts. If you go over to the Mobile Content tab here, you can also stream media from your phone direct to the TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tutorials.